This is a mini tutorial on how to brush your dog's teeth. It is recommended to take care of your dog's oral health for their overall health. February is particularly Pet Dental Health Month. This is Neela, and she's going to be our guinea pig to brush our teeth. She's usually a pretty good girl about it, but you do have to work with your animals to get them pretty agreeable. And the best part is there's flavored toothpaste, which makes it a more enjoyable experience. Few products we can use. This is a free sample that we supply to our clients to promote dental health. This is a finger toothbrush along with a sample of dog safe toothpaste. It's particularly important to have veterinary approved toothpaste because animals can't digest and metabolize some of the products in human toothpaste. So we have poultry flavor, there's vanilla mint, beef, seafood, any flavor your pet may desire. I'm using poultry flavored toothpaste, which Neela is a fan of. I'm going to apply to the toothbrush, like so. Apply gentle pressure around their muzzle, not squeezing shut, but just enough to keep their mouth closed. You can sneak the toothbrush in this little lip fold area here to start. And just work it in and do a slow, gentle massaging motion on the tooth area. Veterinarians are recommending, if you can, you can brush the outer surfaces. It's almost impossible to get the inner surfaces without anesthetizing our patients. But either way, it does decrease the amount of bacteria in their mouth, which is good. Just get a little bit more here. I'm going to rotate to the other side here, again applying gentle pressure to the muzzle. We have this little opening over here. I'm just going to sneak the toothbrush in. Do a nice gentle massaging motion. Good girl. Allowing them to lick in between here and there. And they can ingest this toothpaste unlike human toothpaste. And that's where the flavor comes in. Do a little more. We need to get a little bit more. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Very good. And as far as to do the front teeth, holding gently around their muzzle here. If you put anything above here, they're going to lift their lips. So you can just do a little scrub action there. Kind of work to the side a little. Sitting behind them does help to keep them from backing up. Do a lick, lick, lick. Very good girl. Very good girl. So we can provide you with free samples here and definitely give instruction as well on how to toothbrush. We do supply you with a paper with the written instructions, and you're more than welcome to call with any questions.